You won't believe how something as simple as Gresham's law is quietly but powerfully affecting your money right now, driving inflation, eroding your savings, and shaking the very trust you place in the financial system. Let me take you back to 1857. Economist Henry Dunning MacLeod urged Queen Elizabeth to restore confidence in England's currency. And from that came a law so simple yet so impactful: Gresham's law. It states that bad money drives out good money. When too much bad money is printed, it loses value, fast. And people start hoarding the good money, things like gold, while they spend the bad stuff. And this isn't just history, it's happening right now. Think about your bank account for a second. Have you noticed it? Prices are skyrocketing, wages are flat, and what used to be your comfortable savings are now worth less and less. Inflation is rising and more money is printed every day. But here's the kicker: your cash. It's losing value as it sits in your bank. So, what's the solution? You must start acting. You need to diversify into assets that can protect you. Things like real estate, stocks, or precious metals. Don't just let your money sit there, slowly losing its worth. Put it to work in something that grows while the bad money circulates and devalues everything else. Here's the truth you need to face. Gresham's law isn't some dusty old theory. It's alive and well right now, affecting everyone's wealth. So ask yourself this: are you ready to make the shift and protect your money before it loses even more value? Because if you don't, it could be too late.